911R and bring a trailer, and we have this 1990 Porsche Cabriolet. What's really rare about this car is a C4. It's a four-wheel drive car. And that's a really unique option for a Cabriolet to see. And also 1990 was the first year for these cars. So let's walk around this car. It's got new Michelins on the D90 spec tire wheels on it. The car's beautiful guards red with black. The interior of this car is a beautiful black leather interior. It has 46,000 original miles on the car. 1990, I believe, was the first year for airbags as well, and it's the first year for the all-wheel drive. You have a switch to raise and lower the rear wing. You have a switch to control the differential for the all-wheel drive in the car as well. This car has really rare wind deflector in it. Most of these cars got these left in people's garage when they get traded around. You never ever see them on these. Super cool to have it. Has a nice boot. The top is a power top. It works really good. It's been maintained service. The top does have some flaws in it. It is the original soft top on it. It's perfectly good for daily use, but does show a couple flaws. You can see those in the photos we posted in it. The car has been serviced and all runs fabulous. You can see inside the engine bay, it's nice and tidy. This has air conditioning. I posted a video earlier showing the air conditioning working on the car. It works nice and cold. Coming around, the reflectors are actually in pretty decent shape. A little bit of sun fading, but not bad at all. Black tip. Again, D90 wheels with new Michelins. Come inside this side. You get power seats on both sides. Again, this car was really highly optioned, and to order it with all-wheel drive and convertible and all these options, this was a very expensive Porsche when it was new. You know, again, we'll come around the paint on the car. The paint's got a really nice luster to it. Guards red always looks great on these cars. The front bumper is really good. It's the lower valance isn't all beat up or frowny face. It's got the bumper plugs. You know, you can see the paint's really nice and shiny in the car, not too rock chipped. But this is a great example of a C4 cab. Any questions, please use the contact seller button. If you're interested in 911R selling a car for you and bring a trailer, please use the contact seller button as well. We're happy to tell you about everything we do. Good luck. Thank you very much.